Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to build a unique multi-function device that combines an aesthetic night lamp with an air filtration system. Let's see how I put it together. First, I'm using a centrifugal fan as the main component of the air filtration system. Subsequently, we will utilize the metal mesh, which serves two critical functions. Firstly, to establish the aesthetic cylindrical form and structural chassis for the unit. And secondly, to ensure paramount safety by preventing access, especially by children, to the rotating fan blades, thereby mitigating the risk of injury. Next, I use a 150mm pipe cap to serve as the base for the lamp. Next, I use another F150 pipe cap to serve as the top cover, which also functions as a ventilation outlet. Subsequently, we will integrate a single power input jack and two control switches, toggle, rocker type, for the on-off functionality. Subsequently, we will proceed to integrate an LED bulb to serve as the primary light source for the unit. At this juncture, we will proceed with the assembly by joining a connecting pipe segment to the lamp unit and subsequently securing the entire structure to the prepared pipe base. Subsequently, we will proceed with the meticulous routing and connection of the entire electrical wiring system to ensure circuit stability and overall safety. At this juncture, we will proceed to firmly fasten the centrifugal fan to the protective mesh frame, or guard. Finally, we will proceed to activate the system and evaluate the device's operational performance. Concluding the entire procedure, we will deploy the coarse air filter material to wrap around the exterior structure of the lamp, thereby completing the air purification functionality. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.